Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of bulky soldering stations that take up too much space and are a hassle to use? Look no further than the YIHUA 948D V5-in-1 micro soldering hot air, a game-changing tool that's about to revolutionize your workshop. This sleek and powerful station is a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike, and it's easy to see why it's incredibly well-reviewed and a popular choice for those in the know. One of the standout features of the YIHUA 948D is its ease of setup, with a sturdy metal frame that provides a solid foundation for your work. The micro soldering iron and hot tweezers heat up rapidly, ready to use in seconds, and the adjustable temperature control lets you fine-tune your technique. You'll appreciate the tactile feel of the iron in your hand, and the sound of the hot air pencil is like music to your ears as it delivers a precise jet of hot air to your workpiece. The precision hot air feature is a major advantage, with a tiny 0.5mm nozzle that lets you target even the smallest components with ease. And when it's time to solder, the 110W high-performance desoldering station makes quick work of even the toughest through-hole components, with a satisfying suck as the solder is removed. Whether you're a professional engineer or a DIY enthusiast, this station has everything you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively. In real-life use, the YIHUA 948D really shines, whether you're working on a delicate PCB or a complex mechanical assembly. The ability to swap out handpieces quickly and easily is a major time saver, and the individual power switches for each tool add an extra layer of safety and convenience. So why settle for a bulky, outdated soldering station when you can have the best of the best? Give the YIHUA 948D a try and experience the difference if this helped. Hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.